We have reached the tipping point. For over a decade, virtual reality has been a promise. A someday technology that always felt just one step away from being truly life-changing. We dealt with the bulky headsets, the short battery lives, and the screens that looked like you were peering through a screen door. But something changed in 2026. Meta didn't just iterate. They didn't just give us a Quest 3.5. They went back to the drawing board and built the Griffin. This is the Meta Quest 4. And it is about to make every other piece of technology in your house look like an antique. If you are a gamer, a remote worker, or someone who is tired of staring at a 6-inch phone screen, you need to listen closely. Because the Meta Quest 4 isn't just a VR headset anymore. It is a spatial computer that is light enough to wear for hours, powerful enough to replace your laptop, and intelligent enough to track your thoughts before you even move a finger. Today, we are going deep. We are diving into the 2nm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3, the return of eye tracking that puts the Vision Pro on notice, and the POC design that finally solves the weight problem. This is the ultimate guide to the Meta Quest 4. The device that finally kills the television. The death of the brick, the POC revolution. The biggest complaint about VR has always been the weight. 500 grams of plastic and glass hanging off your face is a recipe for neck pain. For the Quest 4, Mark Zuckerberg and his team made a radical choice. They moved the brain and the battery. The Quest 4 introduces a tethered compute puck. Imagine a small, sleek device that clips to your waistband or fits in your pocket. This puck houses the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3 processor and a massive 7,000 mAh battery. By moving these components off your head, the Quest 4 headset itself weighs less than 250 grams. It feels more like a pair of high-end ski goggles than a computer. This change is the iPhone moment for VR. It means you can watch a 3-hour movie, play a long-distance session of Half-Life, Alex, or attend a 4-hour work meeting without feeling like your head is in a vice. The weight distribution is perfect. The balance is settled. And because the battery is in the puck, it's hot swappable. You never have to plug your face into a wall again. Micro OLED, near retina clarity. Let's talk about the windows to the virtual world. The Quest 3 used LCD panels. They were good, but they lacked the true blacks that make VR feel real. The Quest 4 shifts to dual 4K micro OLED displays. We are talking about 3200 by 3200 pixels per eye. When you put this on, you don't see pixels. You see reality. The contrast ratio is effectively infinite. If you are in a dark space sim like Elite Dangerous, the blackness of space is pitch black, and the stars are piercingly bright. Text readability, the holy grail of productivity, is finally solved. You can open a browser, pull up a spreadsheet, and read 10-point font as clearly as you can on a 5K monitor. This is the screen that finally makes working in VR a legitimate option instead of a gimmick. The return of the king, eye and face tracking. In 2023, Meta made a mistake. They left eye tracking out of the Quest 3. It was a cost-cutting measure that fans never forgave. For the Quest 4, eye tracking isn't just back. It's the core of the experience. It enables dynamic foveated rendering. The headset uses infrared sensors to see exactly where your pupil is looking. It then